Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today to be an interesting topic. So today I'm going to be talking about 5 beautiful lightening slash brightening body wash that you can actually use. But see, my advice for you is if you are using brightening, if you are using lightening body wash, I would advise you don't use it every day. There are soaps that you can alternate it with, you understand? So I'm going to be recommending one soap first before I start talking about the body wash that you can be using, anyone you want to use. So the bar soap that I'd recommend for you is this Dove Nourishing, this beauty cream bar with Moroccan argan oil. This particular one, this is the one. Yes, this particular one. This is the soap you're going to be alternating with those lightening slash brightening body wash. So the days you are not going to be using the body wash, you go in with this particular one. And I would advise, if it's a lightening body wash, if it's a brightening body wash, use it at night. In the morning, you can actually use this particular one. This one will nourish your skin, build your skin barrier back. Because see, let me just be truth with you. You see those lightening body wash, those lightening body wash, in a long run, if you keep using it every day, you see that your skin will be dehydrated. So it is better you pair it with a nourishing bar soap or nourishing body wash, anyone you want to use. But I advise you go for this particular one. So let's just go down to the topic. So number one is this all-Kali turmeric plus vitamin C body wash. See this body wash, I love it so much. I've talked about the face cream. The last video I talked about face cream that you can actually use. This particular body wash, it is very good. It has turmeric, it has vitamin C, and it also has some herbal ingredient inside of it. So this particular body wash, it helps in dark spots, it helps in wrinkles, it helps in lightening your dark armpits. Yes, that is what this particular soap does. So the ingredients, turmeric and vitamin C, comes in a long run to help you lighten those dark side in your body. But my advice is, please use it at night. Use it at night. Anything brightening. This one is a mild brightening body wash. Yes, you can use it every day, but I advise you use it at night. Then you go in the morning, you go in with this is your Dove Nourishing Beauty Cream, this particular one in the morning. Then at night, you can use your lightening body wash. That's the all-Kali turmeric and vitamin C. Number 2 is this Golden Glow Intensive Halfcast. See, please go for the yellow one. I'm going to insert the picture up here so you know what I'm talking about. Go for the yellow one. The yellow one is more effective. You're going to see the effectiveness of it. It is very good. It has goat milk, vitamin C, and niacinamide. So it will help. The goat milk will help moisturize your skin. Yes, the vitamin C will brighten your skin, niacinamide will brighten your skin and also get rid of dark spots. So this particular one, it is very good, but my advice is use it at night. In the morning, use your Dove bar soap. You can actually get any Dove bar soap. I just like this particular one because it has argan oil inside of it. So this one, it is very beautiful. It will give you the job that you want. Go for the gold one. The gold, I be the yellow one. I think they call it yellow. I don't know, but I'm going to insert the picture up here so you know what I'm talking about. It is very nice. You are going to love the effect of this particular one. The third is this Healthy Glow Pro-Lightening Scrub Shower Gel. Go for that's the black one. They have the yellow one, that's the golden one. That golden one, it's nice, but it's not that as effective as the black one. This particular one, it has kojic and afra-protein. It will help you lighten your skin. This one is a lightening body shower gel. It is not a brightening. This one is a lightening shower gel. It is very good. You're going to love the effect of this particular. I love it so much. It does not bring out green vein, does not give stretch mark. No, this one is a mild lightening body wash. You're going to love the effect of it, but please use it at night. That is my advice for you. Use it at night. You're going to love the effect of this particular one. The next is this Soft 7 shower gel. It has bar soap. This particular one has bar soap. So this one contains turmeric, vitamin C, and honey. So the vitamin C and turmeric lightens the skin. The honey nourish the skin. The honey nourish your skin barrier. The honey moisturize your skin. That is what this particular ingredient does to the body. So what this does is the vitamin C, the turmeric lightens the skin, brightens the skin, while the honey nourish the skin. This one is a very beautiful. When I mean beautiful, it is a beautiful shower gel or body wash. I don't know if it's a body wash or shower gel. I can't really remember, but it is a very, very nice one. You can use it every day, but preferable use it at night. Every day you can use it every day, but preferable at night. What you can alternative with is this Dove bar soap. Any Dove bar soap that you want, you're going to love the effect of it. It is very, very good. When I mean very good, you're going to see the effects of it. I love it so much. The next is this Fruiser double moisturizing shower gel, the one that has goat milk, papaya, carrots, and also turmeric. That particular one that has that one, that is the one I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, the one that has goat milk, that has papaya, that has turmeric, that has vitamin C. That's one, because this Fruiser moisturizing shower cream, it has different ranges. The one I am talking about is the one that has goat milk, the one that have papaya. That particular one, it has goat milk, papaya, turmeric, and also carrots, papaya, turmeric, and goat milk. Those are the key ingredients in this particular shower cream. It is very, very, very effective. When I mean effective, it is very, very effective. It will brighten your skin, it will lighten your skin. You're going to love the effect of this. I love this particular one because it is very, very moisturizing. When I mean moisturizing, it will moisturize your skin very, very, very. It does not strip up the oil on your skin. It's something that you can use every day, but preferably use it at night. Yes, that's my advice for you. Any brightening, lightening shower gel cream that you are using, make sure you are using it at night. You're going to see the effect of it very, very well. So just go in with your Dove bar soap. You can get Dove bar soap, any Dove bar soap of your choice. I love this particular one I just showed you because it has Moroccan argan oil. That's why I like this particular one. Just go with this one in the morning, then use those ones, the all those body wash I just mentioned, the 5 body wash I just mentioned, just use it at night. You're going to see the effect of it. You're going to see the effect of it, yes. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Ujuet Okore. See you in my next video. Bye.